To know where each of your clients comes from, it's worth saving UTM tags, parameters added to a URL. In this lesson, we'll show you how to pass these tags from your website forms to your CRM. For this, you'll need an external form on your website or landing page, whether it's a subscription, payment, or any other type of form. You can transfer any tags for which you've created fields in your contacts. For example, UTM source, the traffic source, a website, Facebook or Google. UTM medium, the traffic type, CPC, CPM, email. UTM campaign, the name of the ad campaign. You can also add UTM term, the keyword or search phrase that brought the user to your site. And UTM content, the specific content the user clicked on. So how to configure UTM tags? You can configure UTM tags in both the contact fields and the deal fields. If you're using contact fields, you need to create these fields in the CRM's context section. This allows the service to recognize the tags and save them in the CRM. Go to the Context, then Settings, and select the Fields tab. Click Add Field and enter the tags you need. The added fields will appear in all contexts. The tags are saved when a user visits your site using UTM tags and then fills out a form or makes a payment. In the Context tab, you can open a context card and view the tag values. Now, for configuring in deal fields, go to CRM, select My Pipeline, click Settings and choose the Fields tab. Click Add Field and enter the tags you need. The added fields will appear in all deals. Just like with context, the tags are saved when a visitor arrives at your site with UTM tags and then completes a form or payment. To view the tag values, simply open the deal. Saving UTM tags is a fundamental part of your analytics. It helps you see which channels are generating leads and allows you to better allocate your budget.